Oh, thank God. Thought I was gonna have to replace the whole valve body. Right? Valve body? Valve body. I think it's valve body. Now I'm rambling. Oops, backwards. There we go. I had a doubt for a minute, but it is working. It's just really slow. Yeah, once you start talking about VAVs and VRVs and all the 1,000 other acronyms that there are out there, I'm not that guy. My brain melts.
Try not to melt my phone on the pilot while I do this.
It's probably just scale. There's no soot or anything. I don't think there's anything wrong with this boiler. She was quoted $32,000 to swap out a 245,000 BTU hot water boiler. How long's it been like that? Boom, first try. Yeah.
I thought you might have
No. I saw the thing hanging off, and I'm like, I'm gonna drive into something. It's gonna be a big problem. Nice guy. I wonder what the two little tattoos next to his eye meant. All right. What a disaster.
Yeah, it's this one.
Pilot is definitely out. Why is there so much hair? You know what? I don't want to know. Ah, man! Left my parts bag in the truck. Got it. That's a ridiculous flame, but alright. And the pilot's going out in 3, 2, 1. And now new pilot staying lit in 3, 2, 1. What? I don't think I held it long enough. We'll be right back. The key was to let this out slowly. Well, that was exciting. Just gonna go a block over. Someone's doing an install. I just want to check the wiring and stuff. Top floor. It's always the top floor. Hey, hey.
This is what we call being the light guy.
Okay, well, the electric's done, but now I gotta check another one in the building. Nice short commute.
No pressure.
Oh, no, I forgot. I've worked on this one before. That's broken. Turn it off.
Circulating.
Yeah, it's heating up.
Just turns and turns and turns and turns and turns and turns and turns.
So, this is what we call a series loop. A series loop, just like in electricity, is when the water goes from one radiator to the next, to the next, to the next, in series. If you close one valve down, everything stops. So, to get around this, I'm gonna do this, and that, and this. And now they can't play with it. So we got a 1/2-inch OD oil line, one pipe. That means we're gonna be bleeding a lot of oil. one done. Apparently this is notorious for being airbound when it runs low, so I'm gonna have to do it again. I had to come to the dollar store for a funnel, but I don't think they got one. Do you have a funnel? Yeah, for liquid? Perfect. Do you have one more grande? If not, it's okay. Yeah, it'll work. Well, that's one. Two. Now this last one's for the whole shebang. There you go. Man, we got to do a little bit of everything today. Gas, oil, did a little bit of a console, even though it kind of wasn't. I just told her boiler's not leaking and she doesn't have to spend 30 grand on a new one. And a little bit of install and electric work. So from here, I'm gonna go back to the install, give him a hand just so we can wrap everything up and he's not out late. I don't really think you wanna see that part. There are plenty of other videos on YouTube about installing tankless heaters. So this is where I'm gonna end it, and I will catch you tomorrow in the next boiler room.